One really cool feature about Google Docs is that you can create a link to a website. So I found this really great website that shows pictures of the different parts of the frog's life cycle. I want people to go to this website and check it out. So I can do that with my Google Docs. I'm going to go up into the window where the name of the website is listed. I'm going to click to highlight that. I'm going to, on a Mac, Command C. If I'm on a PC, I'm going to Control C, or I can edit copy. I'm going to go back to my Google Doc. I'm going to highlight the text that I want to be connected to this, that I want to link to my website. So I'm going to highlight this. I'm going to go to this link icon right here. And right here it says I'm going to paste my link there. I'm going to Command V on a Mac, Control V on a PC, or edit, paste, and apply. And when I do that, look what happens. So when people click here, they can just go right back to the link. Let me show you. I'm going to close this page, click here, and boom, it goes right back to that page from my Google Doc. I know, it's like magic, right? So you can create any of your text and make it into a link. Just highlight and add that link to any web page. It could be a YouTube video or any website. So give that a try. It'll really take your reports and your Google Docs up a notch.